Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Yoli for those who are new here. So I do have another hair review for you guys today, okay? And this one I'm pretty excited about. I received this hair from Alipearl. This is their glueless Ready Go curly wig in the length 18 inches. So when I do like protective styles, I don't do as much lace wigs. I've always been kind of scared of them, you know, of them just talking to everybody. But these HD lace wigs from Alipearl, you'll just see. This is a 4x7 HD lace wig and in the texture curly. This glueless Ready Go curly wig is already pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you, so it makes it easier for you just to throw it on and go, okay? So the wig is designed for you to basically take it out of the box and put it on your head and go about your business. For me, I have to do a little bit of alterations for me to be fully comfortable with wearing the wigs, including like I put foundation on the lace to make it match my skin a little bit better, as well as washing the hair, and I did cut a little bit more of the lace so it can be a little bit more melted, okay? So one thing I did as soon as I got the wig is I washed this hair. I'm big on washing my hair as soon as I get it, just because I feel like the hair is traveling from so far and it's been through life already. Like, just go in and give her a fresh start, okay? Wash her. So I'm basically going to show you guys some of the work that I did to make this wig melt onto my head and give you the results that I have.
So everything came in this cute gold box, and it also came with a couple of goodies, including some eyelashes, some wig caps, an edge brush, this band that helps melt the lace. I don't know what it's officially called, and this satin bag to place the wig in. This is the wig straight out the box. So as I mentioned before, it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut laced, and this is how the curls look straight out of the box. And I decided to try it on. I tightened the band inside the wig, but as you can see, the lace is a different color, so it doesn't really match. So I decided to wash it before I apply my foundation. And so I'm just applying shampoo here and combing it through with a Denman brush. And this is the amount of shedding I got from that wash.
Okay, so this is the way the lace looks with the foundation on it on the outside. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on.
So this part is optional, but I'm using something to help me make the lace less visible. A lot of the times I saw that people use mousse, or they'll use like a got2b glue spray to help melt the lace, which is basically, like I said, making it less visible and blend in with your scalp a little bit more. Here I'm using not the right product. I used what I had and I sprayed it on there, and I used the edge brush to kind of brush it out, and then I'm gonna place the band on it to let it set for about 15 minutes. And yeah.
yeah, this is the result of me taking the band off, and this is how the hair looks.
And this is just a quick clip of me refreshing the curls. So something that I do that you don't have to do, but I do, is I leave some of the conditioner in to refresh my curls just a little bit. I apply a little bit to damp hair, and then I use a Denman brush to define the curls, and I let it air dry, and that usually gives me the results that I get with my curls.
So what I did is I washed this wig low-key twice, maybe even 3 times. I gave it a good wash, left the conditioner on for a little bit, and then I basically applied a little bit of leave-in, not too much because I basically wanted the natural curl to pop. The reason I say wash the wig is because it comes with a preset curl that isn't necessarily the curl that you're going to be wearing every day with this hair. So the curl that it comes with is pretty cute, it's nice, but when you wash it, I feel like that really, yeah, you have a better idea of what you're working with, and I really feel like those curls are better in general. So like I said, I did a few alterations. I definitely put some foundation on the lace, my foundation color, to make it match me a little bit better. I cut a little bit of the lace off as well. I put some concealer here also to just make the color blend a little bit better, and this is the result of that. Okay, so let me give you guys a 360. I think it looks great. Okay, I think it looks amazing. So I didn't necessarily melt this wig. A lot of times people melt their wigs by using what is that called, the Got To Be glue spray, hairspray, or they do mousse. I've seen both of those used as a method to melt your lace, and you apply the band around and let it sit for a little bit, and it helps melt it even more into your skin so it appears like there is no lace. I wasn't able to do that, and that's okay. I'm not tripping off of that, but you know, I was able to basically have it blend as best as possible to my hair, and I am very pleased with the results. I've been seeing people do this. I'm so glad I get to do this now. Look at that. Lift it up a little bit. Oh, who would have known? It does come with a piano band, I think that's what it's called, like the band inside of the wig, so you can adjust the tightness of the band so it can fit on your head a little bit better. I am wearing a size small in the wig. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the result of this. I think it blends really well, and I'm really excited to have another wig that I could just throw on whenever I feel like changing it up and not have to worry about doing too much to it. You can wear this wig as soon as you get it out the box, but I do recommend just doing a few alterations so you can be very comfortable with your results. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. Please let me know if you guys do decide to try this hair, and let me know how that experience goes for you. If you guys have any further questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.